Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is 3 tips for starting a business YouTube channel. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. When I started my YouTube channel, my business YouTube channel in 2011, I didn't know where to look for advice. Obviously, business YouTube channels are different to entertainment channels or prank channels or music channels. So there were fewer examples of how things should be done to build up a channel. And my initial idea was to do it as an experiment and see how I got on and put some videos there so that there would be another channel for people to come into contact with myself, Mike Pitt, and my company marketingfundamentals.com. So it was very much experimental. I didn't really know all of the steps I should take, but now in 2019 there's a much clearer picture of what you should do to make progress with a business YouTube channel, and I'm going to share a few of those tips in this video. I mean, I could share more tips, but then this would be an extremely long video. I'll see what the response is to this video and these tips, and then if you want me to make more videos like this, then I will do so. Smash the like button and I'll know that you're very interested in this type of content. So let's get started without any more of an introduction. Number 1, searchable content. So I'm going to show you some of my old videos, and then I'm going to demonstrate. No, I'm going to show you some of my current videos. So let's have a look at current videos, recent videos onto the channel. So here's an respondent.io review. I know that respondent is a website where you can earn money by taking part in market research studies. I know this. People are searching for that because they're always looking for side hustles and ways to make additional money. So respondent.io is a searchable term. How to stop abuse on social media is a searchable term. LinkedIn automation tools, searchable term. So I'm making videos nowadays that are searchable terms. I know that people are typing them up here into the search box on YouTube. If you make searchable videos, you're going to get more views because people are looking for answers to their questions, they're looking for solutions to their problems, and that's one way even a small channel can get guaranteed views, by answering questions that people are already looking for. So that's the number 1 tip: make searchable videos. The second tip is to make videos of a decent size. One of the key variables that YouTube measures when they're assessing your channel and comparing it to other channels is called watch time. Watch time is the amount of time people spend actually watching your videos. So if you make short videos, and let's say you make a video, let me demonstrate this clearly with some of my older videos. Data added, oldest, just click through now. So this is my first ever video on YouTube in 2011. These are my older videos. You can see 45 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute 37, 1 minute 52, 3 minutes, 1 minute 107. These videos, I now know this, I didn't know this in 2011, these videos are way too short, because if somebody was to watch half of this, they're only adding sort of 20 minutes, 20 seconds of watch time, 30 seconds of watch time, 40 seconds of watch time, 30 seconds of watch time, which is a small amount in the grand scheme of things when YouTube looks at your channel and assesses how viable it is to promote your channel or to run ads against your channel. If you're a new YouTuber, you need to reach the milestone of 4,000 hours, which is 240,000 minutes of watch time before you can be monetized. You also need to reach the level of 1,000 subscribers. So if you're making short videos, it's going to take a long time and a lot of videos to be able to do that. In 2011, I didn't know that. I know that now. So if we go back to sorting by newest, you can see that I'm making videos, just loading. I make videos that are of a longer time duration: 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 11 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So you can see if people watch half of these videos, and by the way, half of a video, if your watch time is regularly showing half of a video is watched by all viewers, that's a very good level of watch time. But if they're watching half of these videos, 10-minute video, that's 5 minutes they've spent on YouTube. Here there's nearly 8 minutes of video, so 4 minutes spent on YouTube. Here obviously 22 minutes or 11 minutes spent on YouTube. Increasing your watch time is good in terms of building up your channel, building up the standing of your channel, and YouTube is more likely to send viewers who have entered search terms to your channel if you've got good watch time again across your recent videos. So that's number 2, no short videos. Number 3 is let's go into a video. Let's go into, I used this example before, so let's go into this. I'm going to click on it, make sure it doesn't play. I don't want to play at the moment. Let's just pause that. So here's Respondent.io. I've got open a tool called TubeBuddy, and maybe I'll make a separate video about TubeBuddy if you require that, and if you request that in the comments below. Smash the like button and I'll know that you're interested in a video on TubeBuddy. Now the point here is video SEO. Video SEO includes tags on the video, so it includes what you put in your description. So here's my description, there's links to other videos there, and there's links to LinkedIn is a very strong theme and very good topic on my channel, and there's some popular videos there, so there's all that. There's also keywords relating to the topic of the video. And for Respondent.io, it's Respondent.io review, market research studies, make money, earn money online, make money online, etc. All of those are in tags. Video SEO will help your video get found and be searchable. So it's very important that you learn video SEO. If you, obviously there are massive YouTubers who have tens of millions of subscribers who don't seem to do any video SEO. That's great for them, and they started many years ago. They don't need to, but as a new business YouTuber, you will need to do that. So you need to learn video SEO. If you need some help in that direction, obviously contact me. Description has my email address, and I can set up a meeting or consultation for you if that's what you need. No problem, I'd be happy to do that. I'm just going to close that. That's TubeBuddy's data. So those were the 3 quick tips for somebody starting a brand new business YouTube channel. To summarize, they were searchable content, no short videos, ideally 5 to 10 minutes at least for each video, and learn video SEO. I hope it's been useful to you. If you like this video, give me a like. If you haven't subscribed, click on my face to subscribe. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.